Saving lives on frozen frontier. Six Sigma High Altitude Medical Services scripts miraculous stories of life and death. बियाबानों में, पहाड़ों में, जहां जहां खुदा की रियासत होती है, अहले ज़र्फ़ों के हाथों मुसीबत ज़दों की हिफाजत होती है. We serve anytime, anywhere, at any height, any mountain, and under any weather. The terrible destruction in 2013 had shaken the nerves of Dr. Pradeep Bharadwaj in the high-altitude area of Kedarnath that devoured human lives due to lack of medical services. He was determined to take the decision to provide medical assistance to pilgrims at high-altitude sites to save innumerable lives from the clutches of imminent death. His Herculean efforts for the citizens and pilgrims appear like a miracle in the land of gods. Through Mountain Medicine Society, the vertical of Six Sigma Star Healthcare Private Limited, steps were taken to initiate the rescue operations in the high-altitude areas. Six Sigma is the only private organization whose members are the first to be trained by leaders from eminent institutions including the military and paramilitary forces, by the Army, IAF, ITBP, BSF and NDRF to carry out rescue operations and provide medical services at high-altitude sites. They are also trained by world's best warfare school of Indian Army at J&K by the special permission of General Bipin Rawat, Chief of the Defence Staff.
Our association with Six Sigma Healthcare has been in providing support to training to their medical doctors, medicos, other people associated with them to be able to reach out to the high altitude areas.
Six Sigma members underwent the most unimaginable, highly risky, rigorous and daring training. Rappelling and slithering from a helicopter conducted by the Indian Air Force at Special Forces Training Institute, Chandinagar. Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary and Air Marshal Dr. Pavan Kapoor carried out this almost impossible training for Six Sigma.
The spirit of commitment and service displayed by Six Sigma team during humanitarian assistance and disaster relief is indeed praiseworthy. In the changing scenario of modern healthcare and hospital management, your team's zeal in providing on-time or even before-time healthcare services reiterates your unwavering commitment and professionalism.
Since its inception, Six Sigma's high-altitude medical services have treated more than 5 lakh citizens during pilgrimage to religious sites such as Kedarnath, Amarnath, Hemkund, Tunganath, Madhya Mahesh, Mani Mahesh and Kailash Mansarovar. Six Sigma's eventful journey in healthcare industry has helped to set high standards to manage the first of a kind of high-altitude medical services in the mountains. Six Sigma established its first high-altitude hospital at Kedarnath in the old GMVN building inaugurated by the then Chief Minister Shri Trivendra Singh Rawat on 21st of May 2018. The Badrinath Yatra Health Services at Badrinath Dham has treated more than 235,000 pilgrims. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi appreciated Six Sigma's dedicated efforts and encouraged Dr. Pradeep Bharadwaj to erect more institutions under Mountain Medicines for speeding up treatment of devotees by conducting rescue operations in the high-altitude areas. Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Medical Services at Ayodhya has treated more than 1,470 pilgrims and provided free medicines, free equipment and diagnostic services to 1,45,000 visiting devotees. Six Sigma has associated with Shiv Yoga Foundation to provide best medical services to the Yatris of Shri Ram Janmabhoomi. Six Sigma combats life and death with Hepta, Doctor and Porter. It has created another history in aviation sector by signing MOU with Norway-based Helitrans, represented by its CEO Ole Christian, and domestic organization Himalayan Heli Services. They will operate Airbus H125 helicopters for emergency airlifting of patients to safety through air ambulance services. Six Sigma Helitrans Aviation, in a joint venture with Helitrans, has already procured 3 helicopters to operate at high altitude areas of Kedarnath, Hemakund Sahib and Amarnath. These religious places have the maximum pilgrimage tours highlighted by tragedies. AIIMS Rishikesh and Six Sigma has collaborated to develop a first-of-its-kind mountain medicine program. Six Sigma is coming up with Asia's first high-altitude mountain medicine and high-altitude training institutions in Almora district in collaboration with Government of Uttarakhand. The purpose of this project is to stop the mass exodus by creating job opportunities. He engaged the best brains of India with Six Sigma as board of advisory to stand tall with its commitment, encouragement, selfless services. Dr. Pradeep Bharadwaj, the man behind Six Sigma's diverse success ventures in the healthcare industry, is backed up by his indomitable spirit to lead by example. An alumni of IIM Ahmedabad, he is the son of a proud military officer, a war veteran of 3 wars. Dr. Bharadwaj is a passionate man with broad vision and foresight to succeed in whatever he does. He has brought massive growth to his entire projects on his own without a godfather in the healthcare industry. Limca Book of Records has recognized him as the father of mountain medicine for his pioneering efforts behind the establishment of high-altitude medical services. As a fiery leader, expert entrepreneur and philanthropist, Dr. Pradeep Bharadwaj achieved many remarkable milestones through his exemplary vision. Dr. Anita Bharadwaj, the dynamic wife of Dr. Bharadwaj, is the medical director and the first lady in mountain medicines. She received the highest civilian honor for her incredible achievement, Nari Shakti Puraskar, by the Honorable President of India and the Kalpana Chawla Shaurya Award from the Government of Haryana. Dr. Bharadwaj has created history of sorts in the healthcare industry, with Six Sigma managing more than 450 plus hospitals and institutes across India. A rare accomplishment in every sense. However, the emergence of high-altitude medical services is a pioneering innovation by Dr. Bharadwaj, making a great contribution for the society and the nation. Jai Hind!